frozen, look. I don't even think you guys can see it. It is freaking cold outside. It's 28 degrees. I love you. I'll see you in 2 weeks. 2 weekies. They go by fast. We're cold and hot at the same time.
I know.
She's not feeling good. Well, let me know, because if you're gonna go to the ER, then I'll turn around and then just leave another day, because I'm chilling. But if you start to hurt, your back starts hurting a lot, then just let me know. Feels good. Yo, bro, it's like early, and my car is like frozen. Like my windows are frozen. The back of my my door was just frozen. Oh man. So supposedly there's supposed to be a snowstorm heading up to New York in like this weekend. So, but luckily my car's in the garage, so I'm chilling.
A few inches later.
Holy smokes, look at my car, bro. It is frozen. Damn. 33? Do I want a receipt? No, thank you. Oh, it is brick. Yo, bro, my car is frozen, bro. Like freezing cold, bro. We got a 9-hour drive, bro. This shit is crazy. And my car is frozen. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, bro. Alright, we are topped off. We got 454 miles, bro. On a full tank. Yo, bro, niggas is not ready for this shit, bro, because I'm not. It's brick. I'm ready to get the fuck out of here, though. Oh man, it is cold, bro. It is 23 degrees outside, bro. I imagine what New York is. New York is probably freezing cold. Yo, bro, this shit is crazy. Alright, since it's still dark, I did want to do a point of view. But the thing is that is like, since it's super dark, I don't want to do it now because like the GoPro doesn't capture all of this good ass footage. So I am gonna get to you guys. Like right now, y'all can't even see me right now. That's crazy. So I'm gonna get to you guys when it gets like really sunny and shit. So I'll talk to you guys later. Oh!
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm tired, bro. I've been driving for like, I got 2 hours left to New York, bro. And I'm exhausted. Like, I'm super exhausted. So I stopped at a rest stop for a little bit. Might go get some food. I have to use the bathroom for sure. But you guys can't come. That's gay. Stop it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go in real quick and then just hop back on the highway, bro, because I'm literally not gonna like waste time. Like it literally says I'm getting there at 4 and it's already 1:30. So I should get there like around like, so I got like 2 hours and 30-ish minutes. Bro, I don't know, bro. I gotta go pee, bro. I am out, bro. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Take care of the car. If you don't, you're getting fucked up. Oh shit, y'all waited for me? Nah, yo, bro, I got some fire ass Wendy's, bro. I'm about to dog this shit, bro. I haven't ate shit since I left, bro. Only thing I did eat something. I ate a granola bar and a Capri Sun or a Capri Sun. Yo, y'all say Capri Sun or Capri Sun? I don't know. Yo, bro. Oh my God. Look at these fries. Y'all want some? I want a bite?
That shit busting.
Yo, bro, I'm not gonna hold you. Taking these drives, they're fun if you have other people. But alone, hell no. This is not it at all. Since it's New Year, you gotta take the first bite. There you go. How is that shit? This shit busting? Oh, that shit busting. Damn. On the road again. Bro, everyone is on my ass, bro. I need to get the fuck out of here. Oh, man.
Twelve seconds later.
We officially made it to New York! Holy shit, bro. This shit was a long ass drive, bro. But yo, bro, not gonna hold it. I only had to fill up in this car like twice, bro. And I still got 200 miles left. And I'm 15 miles away. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. But long story short, bro, I'm gonna head my ass home. Maybe put this car in the garage and knock the fuck out, bro. I don't know. Supposedly there's a race. If this video is titled "There's a race tonight," then there's a race tonight. But I'm not sure, so we're gonna see. If there's no race, then you know I'll let you guys know ahead of time. But I doubt it, bro. It's super cold, but it's blue season, bro. You never know. Never know, never know. Yo, I'm finally home, bro. Thank God, bro. This fucking drive was crazy. All right, let's get home. Boom, bro, we back in the hood, cuz. We back in the hood. Nah, bro, yo, bro, I made it over here quick, bro. Mad quick. Yo, long story short, yo, bro, I'm tired. I'm about to knock out. Jay is in the building. Yo, bro, I'm tired, bro. That drive, bro, you gotta be some hard, crazy nigga to take that drive, bro. But I can't even say that because my two other boys took in that drive, bro. They're real ones. But bro, I don't want to go out because I left my car in the garage. I don't think I'm taking that shit out because I'm tired. Yo, bro, I literally drove the whole way. Yes. Y'all saw exactly what I saw, bro. Like, driving and paying attention to make content is crazy, but bro, I'm in New York, bro. It's gonna be crazy. There's a lot of shit going on. Just get ready, bro. Yeah, I don't even think y'all ready, bro, because crazy shit's about to happen. But I'll catch you guys on the next one, or maybe tomorrow. I love you guys. Deuce.